Question number 3 is about arithmetic sequence. You have the equation here, Sn equals Pn squared minus Qn. You want to find P and Q. How? Two results are given, so we try to work on it. Just do the substitution. S4 square minus Q4, okay, equals 40. So do some simplification first, okay. So 4p minus q equals 10. And then next one is 65 is 5, okay. So p5 square minus q5 equals 65. Also simplify first, okay, make it easier. So 5p minus q equals 13. My try to carry, and then equation 1 and equation 2 is just 2 minus 1, and you got p is 3, and then substitute back 3 is into back to the number 1, so 4 3 minus q is 10, so q is 2. Okay, that's the result. Actually, again, you can have a different way to do so. The result is the same. Okay. Question B is about U5. It's easy. Minus the sum. Okay, U5 is the sum up to 5 minus sum up to 4. And then, we have it already. No need to calculate. So what's the result? The result is 23. You got them all right? Well done.